Hi all of you, in this video I'm going to show you how to create objects. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create objects in JavaScript. So let's get started. First let me make a new file. My last file is 33. Okay, so this is my 34th file. Okay, what is that? Let me do it again. Yeah, 34th. Okay, new file, a hash 34.html. okay, .html. And now it's time to insert a boilerplate first. Okay, so let me first remove this horizontal bar. So for that I need to do toggle word wrap. Yeah, it is removed now. So let me write a script first to insert my JavaScript. Now how to create object. Okay, how to create object in JavaScript. So it is really simple. So you have to make object, so you have to just write key and values. So what are keys and what are values? Let me show you. Who are watching my videos from the beginning, they know that I always take a topic of car. Okay, like in this case I am also taking let me make a variable like let. Okay, let. From now onwards, you know that I am using let instead of where. Okay, so let car is equal to, and now you have to start your curly braces from here. Okay, and in this you have to write like let me don't take car because some of you are not familiar with cars. So let me take code. Okay, code. Let me make a variable like code. Now it's time to uh, create a key like language. Now colon. Now Java script. Let me write in double inverted commas Java script. Okay, and now semicolon, not semicolon because it is not a second line, it is continuous. Okay, so you have to write like comma. So now language, and now level. Its level is easy. Okay, I am making my own. Okay, my own keys and values. Now again comma. Now language level, and now what can I take? What can I take? Code is equal to language level. It is easy. And used, let me write usage. Okay, usage is like web. Let me write in web scripting. Okay, scripting, not scripting. Let me make a new key, scripting script. Let me write script. Okay, now I'll write like yes. Okay, it is used for script as well. And I think this is enough for now. So let me save it and show you how it is now looking. So now as you can see that let me refresh first. It is showing nothing. Why? Because I haven't printed anything. So let me print after this curly braces, ending curly braces. Okay, let me write like console dot log. Now in this log I'll write like code. Okay, so why code? Because this is my variable. Okay, so now let me just go to my web page and let me refresh. So now as you can see that language JavaScript level easy, usage web script yes. Okay, I can also play this button and see this. Okay, see this, and you can see that this is object. This is known as object. It is prototype. Okay, So if I want to like access one variable, let me first uh, yeah, this is enough. Let me zoom in. So I think this is enough for now. Okay, let me go. So now let me write, like if I want to access only one key, how can I do that? Like code dot uh, there are like script, you can see, yes, okay, code dot, it is automatically suggesting like language JavaScript, okay, code dot like usage web. So I want to show you one more thing, like there is a variable like what can I write here, language level usage script JavaScript, and I can use what can I use for that. um, I I am not getting any hint for making a key. Why? I don't know. Let me write like rating. Okay, like rating. Okay, rating. Rate. Let me write give rating. Okay, let me write give rating. Now you can see. Let me write in inverted commas. Okay, let me write 10. Okay, 10 is good. Okay, so as you can see there is a space between them both. Okay, so when you access this variable code dot, you can see it is not suggesting that give rating variable, give rating key, not variable, it is key. Okay, why it is not suggesting? Because there is a there is a unique method. If there is a space between any key, so you have to access it by doing this method like this, like uh, like you can write like this box, okay, using this bracket, and now single inverted commas. Now you can see that it is also not suggesting right now. So what is my give rating? That is give rating. Okay, if you want to access that element, that key, so you can undefined. Why? So yeah, it is showing undefined because it's because this is your 10 and it is your undefined. If I'll write like this, if I write like this 10, okay, so now you can see that if I let me do it again, let me write it here, code dot, it is not suggesting. Okay, let me write bracket single inverted commas. Now give rating, as you can see here, this is a give rating. Now let me press enter. It is why it is showing undefined right now. If there is a problem, let me check. Any problem is there? Give rating. No, I think I should use single inverted commas. Let me use single inverted commas. Okay, for now, but it do same work. Okay, let me write like again code. Okay, let me first refresh. Now you can see that give rating is 10. Okay, so let me first now write here, not here, not here. Okay, not here. Let me close it again. Okay, let me inspect, and now let me write it. Now let me write it like code dot, in dot it will not show, so let me write it in bracket first. Bracket, you can see that give rating is automatically suggesting. So now you can see that it is showing 10. So you have to use here single inverted commas, as you can see that. Okay, if there is a space between your key, okay, if there is a no space, so you can access by using dot only. Okay, like this. Okay, I hope you all now familiar with this concept of object, and I will meeting you in my next video.